sharp end of the south end that should be, hopefully. I think maybe that's the philosophy.
Austin Bardo's editor over here. His charge pipe is bunk, so we're making a non-bunk charge pipe, so we can drift for more than 3 seconds.
All right.
So what's going on here?
Trying to get this thing so we could drive it on Friday with Will.
So what did we get done so far?
Today?
Yeah.
We got a wideband put in it. I got to put a boost gauge in it. Water temp would be helpful, but I don't have that gauge right now. Getting this so these intercooler pipes won't blow off anymore. Fix the fuel leak, hopefully. I haven't had hit boost in it yet. So.
So right now we're just measuring up for the last of the coolant pipes just so we can make one final part order. Pretty much what we'll be doing is just running a couple straight pipes through grommets off this firewall since space is very short back there, but and just run hard lines all the way back with just these silicone couplers just to sort of keep it easy to get apart. Yeah, we're going to do one final part order and hopefully squeeze in some parts for the 240 to get it running like it should. And yeah, one step closer.
Sure we got gloves. What car? I'm pretty sure I've seen it somewhere, but it was like European.
Tom's rubbing off on me. I was at home by myself trying to watch that.
One final fuck.
Pulling the subframe out so we can With the Condor Speed Shop reinforcements. Still haven't done it yet, so I'm kind of nervous to see.
And what's Nick doing to the 240?
Dude, I don't know. I never know what Nick's doing. Making some sort of intake and intercooler pipe stuff.
Never knows, doesn't bother to ask.
Oh, careful with Garrett today. He's really mad. The rear trailing arm reinforcements. These are the top strut tower because I'm going true coilover, and these are the rear.
There's something new in the oven at the Home Depot. Air fry. Only in the Frigidaire Gallery Air Fry Electrical.
Rear subframe mount.
With a healthier, tastier
Ones.
That's right in your oven. It also comes with
Surprisingly, mine haven't even cracked yet.
798
So,
with up to 40% off appliance
yeah.
special buys. It's a good time to be.
Got these from Condor Speed Shop.
How doers get more done. US only people.
Hey Nick, what are you doing here?
Put all this shit in.
He loves it.
How excited are you?
I'm hosting a new podcast about the 2020